Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. How do you deploy your power assist steps on the 2025 or 2026 GMC Yukon, as you can see I have done right here, and have them stay deployed? I'm going to show you how to do that right now. There are two ways to gain access to the screen we need to go to. One is right here. You can also scroll up and go to controls right here. It's the same thing either way, and you're going to go to power assist steps. Make sure they're turned on. Obviously that's helpful. So you'll see right here that you have stow and deploy. Deploy is what you need to touch on the screen for them to be deployed while you're washing your Yukon or whatever you may need to do that for, and then you can go to stow right there and they'll go back under the vehicle. Now, one thing to note here is that you cannot deploy them and have them stay deployed when you're driving the vehicle. In fact, I'm going to put the Yukon in drive, and I hope you can hear it, but as soon as I start to move, did you hear that? They go back under the vehicle. That's a question I know a lot of people have had. So I hope that helps to answer your questions. If you need an additional tutorial on the Yukon or anything else, tell me down in the comments section. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.